Hey, what's up? You look amazing today. And an amazing person like you deserves an amazing way to make money online that really works because you can use money to have more amazing experiences, holidays, cars, food, clothes, shoes, and more amazing stuff. So that's why clicking in this video was one of the best decisions you made. Now, you're about to learn how you can make thousands of dollars in pure passive income on an autopilot right from your home without having to invest any money at all. This works for all countries, and on top of that, it can even be done with just your phone. So grab your phone, laptop, or computer and get ready because the life changing tutorial starts in 3, 2, 1, go. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, let's start with step number 1. Our first step is to come over to the website called mangools.com. This is a tool that will improve your SEO or your search engine optimization. That means how high your website to rank in Google, how likely people to visit your website, how easy it is for them to discover it, and stuff of that nature. Anyways, yes, Mongoose is a tool that helps you rank higher on Google and beat your competition. But you don't need a website and you do not have to invest any money to earn from this. So your first step is to just come over to mongoose.com, and if you want to, you can read more about it. So now, pause the video, go and complete this step, and I will be waiting for you. And I want you to do the same for every other steps. Watch it, pause the video, complete the steps, come back and watch the next step. That way, by the end of the video, you will have everything set up and ready to make money. Now let's go to step number 2. So now that you know what Mangools does, you will need to sign up for absolutely free. So click here, come to the top of the page, and click here. And that will take you over to the page that looks something like this. And in order to create an account, you will need to enter your email address, create a password, click I am not a robot, and just go to create my Mongoose account. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your Mongoose account. That should look something like this. This is the dashboard. So that's it for now. Just go to mongoose.com, sign up for free, create an account, and I'll be waiting for you. And we'll jump straight into step number 3. I hope you have completed the previous 2 steps and you're already making some progress. If you haven't completed them yet, go back and complete the first 2 steps before you get into the third step, which is going to be over the google.com. So here we will start using Google for this step. Open Google, and for now, just leave it open like that. We will start using it in a minute. We will just need to copy something first. Now that you have Google open there, it's time for you to get back to Mangools. You'll be able to see this affiliate section. You can join their affiliate program that pays 30% recurring monthly commissions. And if you go back to their pricing plan, you can see that the most popular one is the $69 per month plan. Once you have all those referrals, you can turn off your phone or your computer and just enjoy your earnings. Do anything you like, and of course there are some cheaper but there are also even more expensive plans from which you can make even more money. But if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll show you where you need to put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to leverage Google in order to get as many referrals as possible for absolutely free. And it's pretty much gonna be fun process. You're going to see that, I promise you. It's gonna be a fun process. For now, just go to affiliate program and go to promo materials here. You can see your affiliate link. So this is the main affiliate link. They will make us money. When people click on it, they will be sent to this page where they can sign up to my Mangools. And depending on the plan they will choose, we will make a monthly income. So you want to copy this affiliate link by clicking on this copy button right here. So copy that and go to bit.ly.com. This is a link shortening service. So in order to make this long affiliate link short and sweet, all you need to do is paste it here, click shorten, and just copy the shortened version. And now it's a lot more appealing for people to click on it. So that was the step number 4. Grab your affiliate link and shorten it using bit.ly. Complete these steps and let's go to the next one. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Step number 5. Now that you have your shortened affiliate link, let's go back to Google and just think of for a second who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website. Well, obviously every single website in the world. And there are currently hundreds of billions of them. But more importantly, who has enough money to invest into Mongols through your affiliate link so they can benefit from the tool and so you can make passive income every single month. So keep watching because you're about to be blown away. This can make you thousands of dollars and you just need to do it once. Anyways, once again, who will benefit from this tool but has enough money to invest into it? Well, obviously, every business that has a website. And do you know how many people of them are out there? Over 1 billion, yep. Not a 1 million, but a 1 billion. And you need just 100 of them. Just 100, not even 1,000. Just 100 of them to use your referral link. And you'll make thousands of dollars every single month. In fact, over $20,000 per year without lifting a finger, just if 100 of them sign up. That's just insane. But of course, you need to put in some work first. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme of the results. So that's why I said it's gonna be a really fun process. It's like a game. You think of some small place, think of some business, try out different variations, search, and easily find your referrals in some of the next steps. So for now, as an example, I will search Newberry, Carolina dentist. Step number 6. Once you've searched for that term on Google, skip the ads and skip the first 3 websites that show up at the top of the search results in Google. Because obviously, those guys know how to do SEO properly and they don't need this tool. But all the other thousands of businesses below them clearly need your help and are willing to invest into their business because they can see a massive return in that investment. So you'll have to open up some of these websites, and 99% of them, you will be able to see their contact information. It's either at the bottom or at the top of the website. So just find their email address or any other contact form, and let's offer them our affiliate link and help them. Now, I'm not legally allowed to give you any script, and that would even be bad because if everyone else will use the same script, it would just come up as a spam. But rather than that, I will help you craft your own, and that's a lot easier. So, with one simple message, you can make them click on your affiliate link that takes into Mongols, where they can sign up and will make you money. So you can now start your own message or an email with like a dear sir or madam, I saw that you are running a nice business, or I saw you had a nice restaurant, or a nice office, or a nice coffee shop, or a nice jewelry shop, or whatever it is. But your website is not ranking, so you are missing out a lot of potential customers. And then you can maybe say something like, I had the same problem recently, but I found some tool online that helped me boost my rankings and get a lot more visitors in a matter of days. Or something like that, and they should be in trade. Now you can either send them your affiliate link immediately in the first message, or you can wait for their reply and then send your affiliate link after you've built some trust with them. Remember, you need to do this only once to get some signups once, and you will keep making monthly passive income for the next couple of months or a couple of years. So sacrifice some time and effort now and enjoy afterwards. It will pay off. So to recap, just copy your affiliate link, create a script for yourself, copy that as well, go to Google, find some businesses, play around, and just paste script with your affiliate link. And that's it. You will help them by providing the tool that will boost their business. They will be thankful and you will be happy because you have helped someone. But as well, you made a lot of money on the back end. A lot of passive income. That's it for this video. Follow the steps, take action, and enjoy your money. Thanks for watching. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.